been using AI apps for over a year now. Way more than 100 to be precise, and it's true, most of the good ones require money. But I found some hidden AI gems out there that are free, yet none talks about them. Well, it's time someone will. Let's roll. Have you ever considered how wonderful it would be if you could discuss about images with AI? Well, you can. Llava, or Large Language and Vision Assistant, is an AI system that can see and understand images. Unlike ChatGPT 4, Llava is free and works great not just for plain pictures, but also for pictures with text. To use it, first visit Llava's website. There is no need to sign up or anything. Then upload your image. Next comes the prompt. Give a prompt that contains the task you want Llava to perform. Llava is super versatile and can be used in various tasks. For instance, you can use it to help you find a way to describe abstract ideas or hard-to-grasp concepts. Check this. Imagine you are a student who needs some extra help in understanding these notes taken by another student. And simple as that, it explained the notes for me. I personally use it to evaluate my YouTube thumbnails. I find it handy that I can keep discussing with the AI about the image I have uploaded. For example, let's say that I want to improve the previous thumbnail. This is how I use it, but the possibilities are endless. If you have any other ideas of using it, please share them in the comments down below. If you have previously used AI image generators, you know that most of them, including the paid ones, are terrible at generating images with text. The reason is that the text always appears messed up. Well, not this one. Ideogram is a free AI image generator that does a pretty good job when it comes to generating images with text. To use Ideogram, you need to visit their website and sign up to the service. Let's try this. As you can see, what I got is outstanding. Okay, here's another one, selecting a different aspect ratio this time. The text's accuracy leaves me speechless. You can utilize it in any project that requires students to generate interpretive or decorative visuals. Ideogram allows you to input 25 prompts daily, which results in 100 images. Obviously, there are paid plans starting at $7 per month. In any case, Ideogram is my first choice if I want to make sure that text is also present in my images. Most AI generators, including Ideogram, produce images of mediocre quality. You can counter this by enhancing them through other AI tools. One of my favorite ones is Pixelcut. Pixelcut is a free photo editing app to enhance or upscale your images. Let's try one of the images I created earlier. I go to the upscaler feature, drag and drop my image, and then hold my horses for a minute till the process is over. And bam! Just like that, I can download an improved version of the image I uploaded. Pixelcut provides several other functions such as background and object removal, image recoloring, and more. For example, check this out. Suppose you want to change the hair color of one of the heroes we generated earlier. First, I click the recolor option. Again, I drag and drop the image to the proper area and wait for a few seconds for the AI to process it. The AI managed to separate different items found within the image, including the hero's hair. So, from this grid of images, I select the one that has the hair highlighted. Then, all I gotta do is choose the color I want the hero's hair to be. Cool, isn't it? Are you enjoying this video? Then, please consider leaving a comment and a like to help aid the algorithm. This one will blow away your students. Suno AI will make songs, yes, songs, not just music, but songs, out of prompts. Suppose you want to explain something or maybe introduce a new topic. Imagine I'm a biology teacher and want something engaging to help me introduce the concept of photosynthesis, for example, to my 12-year-old students. First, I click on the Create button. I'll use this prompt. Okay, let's listen to it.
Here we are in science class, learn about trees and bright pillars. Oh, let me tell you about a magical step where plants get energy. It's photosynthesis, photosynthesis. Oh, it's a wonder.
Super amazing, isn't it?
In a world of wonder, where magic is found, there's something amazing happening all around. It's called photosynthesis. It's a natural art. When plants work with sunlight, they're so smart.
Just imagine the possibilities. Needless to say, you can customize the song. This means that you can even input your own custom lyrics, choose the type of song you want it to generate, and Suno will come up with a song that matches your settings. So, you can have your students create their own songs according to their assignments. Suno allows you to generate 10 songs per day for free. You can also get the premium plan for just $8 per month, which will allow you to monetize your songs and have full ownership over them. This one is a must-have application for teachers, researchers, and students. SciSpace will locate online scientific papers that interest you in the blink of an eye. Not just that, it will also help you extract or synthesize information based on the papers it has located for you. Essentially, this means that you can discuss the contents of a paper, like having it create a summary, explain tables, or ask specific questions relating to research findings. All you have to do is input what you're looking for and it will come up with insights from the top 5 papers related to your input. Let's ask something. So, here are the top 5 results that SciSpace Copilot came up with. I can directly read them, or alternatively, I can ask questions related to them using the assistant at the bottom left corner. Besides, I find it handy that you can put the papers that interest you into libraries. Besides the papers you find online, you can also upload documents from your computer into these libraries and then ask the AI to consider only the documents found within the library for answers. I wish such a tool existed when I was doing my master's. Besides using it through their website, there is also an extension for your Chrome browser. I love the extension as it lets me receive answers for any text found online in real time, including non-scientific papers. Check this out. First, I install the extension. After installing the extension, the Copilot's icon appears on the right side of my screen. Assume I'm out of time, which is always the case, yet I want to read this article. I fire up the Copilot and ask it to list the page's key takeaways. And voila! Here are the key points that the article highlights. By the way, this is a great article for all educators, so make sure not to miss it. SciSpace Copilot is free, but the free version only allows you limited messages and literature reviews. Therefore, if you want unlimited messages and literature searches, as well as better information triangulation and synthesis, then you can pick the premium plan for $12 per month. SciSpace Copilot is a tool worth paying for. If you want to go down this path, please consider using the affiliate link found in the video's description. It costs you nothing extra, but I receive a small percentage when you subscribe to their premium plan. Well, that was all, folks. Try these apps and let me know if they were helpful for you or your students. Besides, please let me know if I have missed any other AI apps that will be super useful for teachers, so I can cover them in my next video. These apps were just a small portion of the free AI apps that can be found out there. If you want to see some other free and useful AI applications that can greatly impact your productivity, then don't miss the videos shown on your screen. Till the next time, see you!